Welcome to my channel. I'm Zhangjing Xu. Let's look at the problem 48 in chapter 10. In this chapter, we talk about rotational motion. So for this system, we have a rotor, right? And the first one give us initial angular velocity, 10300 revolution per minute. So the unit revolution per minute, we must convert it to radians per second. And then is shut off. So that tells us the final angular velocity is 0. And then the friction torque. This torque is given 1.2 meter times the Newton. And also the mass is given and the radius is given. It also tells us this is solid cylinder. And then ask you through how many revolutions. So this one asks you the final angle theta, right? Angle theta. And then will the rotor turn before come to the stationer and how long will it take? Ask you the delta. See, this is given quantities. Ask you to find the angle theta and delta. So how can we do that? You can see, if we want to find the angle theta, we know the initial angular velocity, final angular velocity. Then we know these quantities about the torque, mass, radius. It looks like we can consider this equation, right, to find the angular acceleration. Similarly, we need to know the delta. It looks like we can use this function, final angular velocity minus initial angular velocity divided by the alpha. The alpha is angular acceleration to find the final answer. So how can you find the angular acceleration? See, we can use torque. The torque equal to I times alpha. The I, momentum of inertia, can equals 1/2 mr squared because this is a cylinder. You can check your textbook, you get it. So in this one, you can see mass is given, R is given. You can find the torque, the momentum inertia easy. And then this one, the torque is given. So you can get the alpha in this function. And input the known quantities, alpha is solved. After you get the alpha, see, you input the alpha inside, you can get angle theta and delta. Then we must pay attention. See, this rotor rotate from the initial angular velocity to stationary. So it just acceleration is just opposite to the direction it moves, right? So there we add the negative sign there. There we must add negative sign. Do you agree? Because it's decelerate. So thank you.